Whoa, 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 hold the phone, Christian. That waterline is coming off of this boat like magic.
Yes, sir.
What's
Absolutely.
the deal?
This is an 8.5 clear marine protection film. This is a painted hull. So this is going to be your solution to not have to buff or see oxidation on your hull again.
Now, I gotta tell you people, nothing aggravates me like having an icky waterline on my boat. Fortunately, we got Christian here from Mad Soaps today. He's gonna describe to us how to get off the waterline, not only if you're lucky enough to have your boat filmed like this, but also on Gelcoat. What do we do there?
So if it's on Gelcoat, unfortunately, you're going to have to use harsh acids, which deteriorate your paint and Gelcoat even more, and then allow for more scum line to come back.
All right, well, talk me through the process. Let's see it.
Let's go.
All right, well, the isopropyl alcohol that took it off like magic over there on the film, that's doing nothing back here, is it?
Yep, the isopropyl did not do anything. It was very easily able to remove that, but unfortunately, we are going to have to use a harsher chemical like Venom by Stark Yacht Care to safely and fully remove that scum line.
Yeah, too bad the owner of this boat didn't get the transom filmed at the same time, but
Yeah.
show us how to do it.
Awesome. This is Venom by Stark Yacht Care. This is about a 5 to 6 on the pH scale. And this is going to safely remove the bay scum line and other water spot areas without destroying your protective coating, gel coat, or paint. You can see this is a little bit of a slower application, but it is working with a little bit of elbow grease. There are many other marine acids on the market that are definitely harsher than Venom, but they are instantaneous and you will have to put a protective coating on when you're done using those. Whereas with Stark Yacht Care's Venom, it does take a little bit more time, but it does also safely remove it and you do not have to polish after.
Wow, that stuff really did the trick. And people, I can tell you from experience, you can get a scrub brush and soap and scrub on those scum lines for as long as you want. It will not get the stains out. Now, we do want to mention some of the acid-based cleaners that are intended for this job can be extremely harsh. You want to be very careful about making sure you completely rinse them away at the end of the day. If your boat sits on a trailer, make real sure you rinse that trailer off real good. It really can eat into metal. And Christian, we probably have to worry about that on the boat itself too, don't we?
Absolutely, guys. It's still an acid. It still needs to be neutralized. So make sure it's not sitting on there or else it will corrode.
And what are you using to do that job
This is
now?
the same diluted isopropyl alcohol. You can use Dawn dish soap. You can use just water or the diluted IPA to neutralize the acid.
Well, people, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click subscribe below. And man, you gotta love that film. That scum line is just coming right off of there.